Hi, this is Steve Murray, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com. And we're now going to take a look at both the Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, both of them against the US dollar in here, the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and NZD, USD spot FX rates, both in mid-June, shifting to an intermediate term bullish theme, as we'd anticipated in our last report here on Aussie and Kiwi, and both at the moment suffering a slight corrective setback. So here we see Aussie dollar pushing higher in here. We'd already seen a shift to a more intermediate term neutral theme in our last report, but the more recent push here through 0.7611 signaling a shift for an intermediate term more bullish theme for a move up towards here above 77 to this kind of triangle trend line and maybe up towards 77.50. We are seeing a downside correction at the moment, which we could see go a little deeper in the very near term, but the intermediate term outlook for late June into July is still for a more bullish tone and for a push higher towards that 77, 77.50, and maybe even these higher targets up here as we move into next month. If we take a look at the New Zealand dollar, similar technical outcome, a far more bullish move in here that we've seen right the way from May. The previous late May to early June push above resistance around here, just below 71, saw the intermediate term shift to neutral, but then a more bullish shift in here as we went through mid-June, up above 72.47, and despite a consolidation at the moment that does see maybe a risk for a nudge slightly lower in here, corrective nudge lower, we do see bigger picture threats up to targets up here with big figures at 73 and maybe as high as 74.03, 74.85 as we go through late June into early July. This has been Steve Murray, the Market Chartist, on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.